Hey guys, it's TSK here. Today I have thought of involving in OpenCV projects, and to train the OpenCV models, we need a good camera. So that I used this Sony HDR PJ410 and bought some new cables for HDR capture card and also an HDMI cable. So let's try to fix it with my PC. Hey guys, as I said before, the camera connections has been worked like this. Yeah, can you see it? So let's start working with the OpenCV problems. Let me show you an example of my old problem. Let me talk about what you are seeing on screen. This is VisionAuraCare in a part of AuraCare project I have been developing to help children with autism better recognize and practice facial expressions. So that's it for today. Let's see you in the next video. TSK out.